Okay guys, go back to vlog days in the snow. We've got that whole crew kid. Okay, Mia's going.
It actually hurts when you fall off. No.
Okay. Oh, Enzo's gonna try going on this beach thing. Okay, I have my phone in like a half.
Look at it. I would have. Even that's where I would have went if I stayed on.
Oh. We could do it in snow.
Can I go on with you?
Well, I don't know if it can take that much weight, so let me try first. I'm going on, guys. I'm a little nervous. Oh, it's so relaxing. Yeah, it goes really slow, but it works.
I asked before you. Here, let me carry it up for you. No, I got it.
I'm gonna go on this sled. We're gonna GoPro this. Hopefully my phone doesn't die. Guys, oh my god. Oh my god! Ah! Guys, I fell off.
All right.
Oh, Enzo, I thought you were Charlotte. It's like, why is Charlotte here? Oh, guys, my glove fell off. That's why my hand's freezing. I put on my gloves. Sophia, did you take off your gloves?
Yeah.
One is mine is like on the hat. So I'm gonna put one in my pockets and one's in this hat. So it works. It is still snowing, guys.
Yeah.
We're just walking out of here.
My turn.
Sophia's taking a break. I think she's freezing. What do you guys think?
He went first.
Oh yeah, Sophia and Enzo are racing. I mean Mia. Sophia, put on your hood. Your hair looks cold.
I don't have a hood.
Put on the hat.
I don't have a hat.
Even my phone has a hat.
Mia, I went the farthest. I'm gonna count.
Go back up. We're gonna judge to see who goes farther.
No, it's whoever goes the farthest.
No, because that's not fair. Whoever reaches me first. I'll go at ground level. Okay, guys. We've got the whole view.
Go. Oh wait, hold on. 1.
Oh my god, I'm so cold.
Go. Let's go. I'm not playing.
Hi, Enzo.
I touched David first. Sophia, come on. I want to turn on that. Sorry, I have to be very first.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, get her off it. Not me. Come on. Fine, then I'll bury you. I'll bury you. No, nobody can bury me. If someone buries me, I'm never getting off. So if you put that on me, I'm never getting off.
Guys, I'm gonna get some gloves. My hands are freezing. Okay, guys, I'm putting on my glove. It's a process. I put on my glove, guys. I'm freezing. Vlog, it's Mia. Mia, what are you feeling right now? Are you cold?
I'm freezing. Can we go inside?
Sophia!
Yeah, we're putting it.
It's really windy,
Yeah,
guys.
that's where the pile's
Oh my gosh!
I'm the pile spot. Get out. I can't
Enzo. Here, let's walk Enzo home. Come on, Enzo. Are you good, Enzo, or do you want to go home? You good, Enzo?
Stop going in the pile spot. Me and Mia don't stop. So if somebody goes there, you're going to get snow on them. You didn't have to put it on my eyes. I didn't.
Okay, we're going to make an igloo, I guess. I don't know why I'm making it here. Whatever.
Because it's right in front of the door and this is going to be your new house. Oh, I'm good at digging. No, Enzo! Enzo, you're getting snow and you're putting it there. Larry has to pat it. No! You just make a giant
Just make a giant pile first.
and then I'll dig in it. I'll dig a hole in it. Enzo, go inside the house and get a giant. Look what I digged. I digged out grass.
Cool ones.
Oh!
Oh!
Dude, you're destroying it.
Also, guys, apologies. This is blurry because I have like paper on top of it, so it's gonna be blurry. Sorry, it's not the best camera, but it's snowing, so Enzo's kicking the dirt. Oh, Enzo, where are your gloves?
Good service for the town and snowplow the roads. And then we make money, then we buy a giant balloon. Yeah, we can just buy it. Wait, guys, let's go to people's houses and ask them if they can pay us $30 to shovel their driveway. No, $15 each. So, no, not each, $5 each.
No, Sophia, stop! No, Sophia, get off my driveway. Like, get off my driveway. Sophia, get off my driveway. Because you're not. Because you're just patting down the ice and it's going to make it more slippery. No one go on my driveway. Guys, it's literally a winter wonderland. The snow's so powdery today. Look. So powdery.
Let's go to Danny's house too.
Like,
No, Danny has too much. Let's just do their house.
no, Enzo! I said don't run through the driveway. Enzo!
I'm just making a quick cut.
No, Sophia. No, Nina. Whatever. Because it makes it harder to plow it if you step on it. Because then you step down and you compact the snow. So it's harder to get that off the ground than just regular snow. Okay, guys, we're in the middle of the street. I'm not really sure why. But there's no one driving, so it's fine. Guys, we should get out of the street. I'm making a snow angel. Ah! Oh my god. Mia? I could literally kill you right now. Mia! Mia! Okay, now she's gonna get payback. I'm gonna Mia, give me that shovel. It's not yours. It's mine.
I'm gonna shovel their driveway.
No! Ugh.
Fine, I'll put it on my shoe.
Payback! And this is we're doing it to Enzo. Payback!
Sophia did it to Enzo. I only walk in clear, so yeah.
Payback! Dang you.
Hey, can I have it back? I want to do the street.
I don't know what we're doing in the street.
I always walk in a clear path, so let's go to her house. No, Mia.
Guys, let's take a snow igloo. No, right here. Let's take it right here. Guys, let's take it here.
Let's help the community by getting all this stuff away.
Mia's putting all the snow into the sewer. Guys, let's try and fill the sewer with snow.
Yeah. Let's also help the community by... Here, but I think this would be better. Okay, this should be good. I always want to say clear. Let's go and see if Alana wants to play in the snow with us.
No, Alana doesn't like snow.
Clear.
Alana's not a nice person. Imagine if I drop my phone, but if I drop my phone through that, we could probably still get it because we've been piling up the snow. Isn't that like a nightmare if you just drop your phone and it landed in there? You would like never get it back.
But in this case, we could just...
Yeah, we could just like reach down almost because we're filling it up with snow.
Okay, so let's fill it up with snow. Wait, I got a lap.
Guys, we're filling the sewer with snow. We're helping the community.
Yeah, because then this is going to melt and turn into water. And then it's going to flood.
What temperature do you guys think it is outside? It's not that bad. 30, what?
25. I think it's like 27.
It's kind of cold. Yeah, I'd say it's like 20 degrees.
25. It said that on the Alexa.
Oh.
Guys,
Exactly
don't do this. It hurts your face.
What? Touch it?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't touch your drink.
It hurts. Not destroying it. It's helping. Look, we're helping the community. And just doing it too. See? If anyone asks and they say like you ruined the sewers, say Esme did it.
Ours is more than Enzo, so I'm gonna help Enzo.
Wait, yours is more fun to hit by
Yeah. Just so you guys know, it was not. Oh, Brendan's out. Bren, put on a hat or something. That's stupid.
If they drop their dog in there, they can get it.
They dropped their dog.
Wait, what? If they drop their son in there.
Guys, we could have used all this snow to make a really good fort.
No, we could have all used it to help the community.
No, it's snowing.
Oh my God,
Mom?
guys, this is the M-O-M-O.
Momo?
God, give me M-O-M-O. Momo. Oh, like a nice sweet ride. It's not a ride yet. This is you grabbing onto the shovel. You know what is a ride? Right here, behind me.
Okay.
I'm trying to like make it.
It's actually pretty warm for snow. It's not like really cold.
No, I'm freezing. My hands are getting frostbite again. And that never works. You guys are touching the snow way too much. What? You're not helping.
Yeah, I am.
I'm getting frostbite right now.
Guys, I bet we can almost touch it now. Look.
I
can almost touch it. Enzo touched it. Enzo touched it.
Yeah, let me touch it. Let me touch it. I can't get my glove out. Guys, this is not a good idea. Let's go make the fort.
Okay.
We can get pulled over by the police.
We could?
Yeah,
We're doing what?
We're digging the hole to work. We're not digging. We're playing. Guys, do you dare me to do snow angel on the street? What? I'm gonna do snow angel on the street. Because Eva dared me to.
No, I didn't. Ah!
Don't ruin my snow.
Look at me, snow angel in the street.
It literally looks like she's wearing a skirt.
Enzo! Where are you guys going?
We don't know. We're helping the community
How?
by plowing the streets. So we won't have street
Guys, there's a man over there. Come back, Brad. I think we're definitely going to have a delay tomorrow. We had no school today, that's why we're here, by the way. At first, everyone was like, I don't know if we're going to have no school because, you know, it was like iffy or like we could have our early dismissal. But right now, earlier it was 12 o'clock and there was still a lot of snow on the ground. So, you know, I think that they made a good call. Guys, get out of the street, get out of the street, Nate, get out of the street. Hey, get out of the street. Nate, get out of the street, over here, Nate, get out of the street.
We're helping the community.
Enzo's going inside, I think. But in the summer, I was thinking we could do like an underwater video because like I have an underwater case. I'm using it because like the snow's wet, so.
We can go to that lake again and we can stick the phone in the water and see what's under.
Oh, yeah.
I can't feel my thumb.
I'm not that cold.
I can't feel my fingers.
It's alright, it's not that bad. My phone would be freezing.
I can't feel my fingers. It's also in a thing with a hat. But Ava, how do you press like?
No, it's snowing.
I'm gonna die out here.
Yeah, it's kind of like hail now, I think.
It is hail, Ava.
So?
Yeah. Stop! Ava, please.
Where are we going?
Inside one of our houses because my phone.
Wait, do you guys have balloons?
No.
Dang. Do you guys want to play Fortnite maybe?
Wait, guys, go!
Yeah. Alright, but just... What?
The trail thing's nice.
Let's go on the trail.
No, Ava, I can't last 1 more second. Remember what happened last time?
No, I don't remember.
Wait,
What happened last time? Yeah, exactly.
That is so cool.
Oh yeah, Mia was sick. Mia, let's go. The trail's ice. We can go ice skating. Let's go.
Yeah, I can't.
Both of you can go inside. We're gonna go ice skating.
Ava, you gotta give me some skates though.
Oh yeah.
It was frozen, but it might not be.
Yeah, it was frozen the other day.
I got my skates on.
Wait, yeah. We can go ice skating. Maybe after so Mia! Alright, let's go. Do you guys want to enter through your house? Mia, come on.
Oh, but guys, it's really shallow, so if you fall in.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I've fallen in before. And I was wearing slides and I fell in.
No, I was wearing like pants. I was wearing normal shoes and I fell in.
I was wearing like
I fell into my butt.
Really?
Yeah. Ooh, that sounds bad. Your butt must have got cold. Not cold. The water is not cold.
Okay, guys. There's prickers, but we're wearing like a lot of clothes, so it's okay. Alright, Mia, walk forward. I'm gonna go in the back of you guys.
I'm scared. What do they do?
Whoa, me.
It's probably a little bit of
Whoa! We've done a tour of the forest video before.
I was watching a penguin. I put a penguin here. Really cool.
Mia, what if it
guys
didn't
can walk
snow
on
until you
trees
moved to
half
North
the
Carolina?
time.
This would be like your last memory of snow. Isn't that sad?
Hopefully that tree doesn't fall on us.
I think it's fine. Come on, let's go, Mia.
It's slush.
It's slush. It's not frozen. Enzo! Enzo! Enzo!
It's literally slush.
Oh my gosh, it's so muddy.
It's literally slush. Because it's slush, Ava.
It's so muddy. That's disgusting.
Oh!
What type of balls are those?
Oh, they're balls that we stole.
Not
Not stole,
gosh.
but like...
Wait, I can't even, the water actually feels warm. I can't feel it,
Oh
actually.
God, do not go in there.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, done. Don't go in any of these, because it's just a trick.
Yeah, it's pretty cold. I don't know how it didn't freeze.
Don't.
Oh my god. Okay, now I just got wet.
Coffee.
Oh my gosh.
It looks like coffee.
I actually fell in and I didn't think that there's this deep, but it is. I can actually feel it now because it got in my shoe. Oh my god. Guys, I'm stuck. Help! I'm stuck.
No.
My shoe's stuck. My shoe's stuck. Guys, help please. Mia, help me. Mia, help me. My shoe's stuck. No, guys, my shoe is stuck. Help. Help. Oh my gosh. I got out.
That looks like coffee.
Oh my gosh. This whole part is all for... Be careful.
Dude, it literally looks like coffee.
Yeah, it does. These aren't even my boots. They're my mom's. Oh, be careful. Yeah, it's not frozen today. That's weird.
Okay, guys. This is the ice.
Ah! I fell through again. Guys, look. It literally looks like hot chocolate. I almost want to eat it. It's so chocolatey. It's everywhere. Oh my god, I fell in again. It's even over here, guys. Over here.
No, get it.
Oh my gosh, it looks like chocolate.
Yeah, get off. Stop it.
This isn't that deep, guys. You're good.
Nice to that coffee. I'm being light enough.
Enzo.
That is just a joke. Oh, we should go in the other train. You know we
Friend,
should
how do you not bring a hat?
Now we can walk across.
Aren't you cold?
I can walk across.
No, Bren, this is for my phone.
We want to go in the other
Now there's snow in this because I
Look,
fell.
it's over there. Ava,
You're
look!
standing on
Ava, look! I figured out a way to get across. I figured out a way to get across.
No.
Oh, God. This is some ice.
Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so...
Yeah, but, Ava, did you see that bridge? It was nailed.
it over here.
You have to go on that trail over there where you're walking on trees. It's really good.
Yeah, me. Let's go. I fell in again, guys.
Oh, we have to go back that way and then cut through. We have to go this way.
What is this?
Lead the way, Brandon. Lead the way, because you are definitely the boss. Not really.
Enzo! Uh-oh. Wait, guys. I'm going to go get Enzo. Enzo, come on. We got to go back. You're just walking through the posh.
Okay.
Enzo, don't get your foot stuck. Enzo, you're getting your feet all muddy. Enzo!
Ooh, I'm not falling.
Let's go. Come on, Enzo. Go around the ice this way. Sophia's here. Come on, Enzo. My hands are freezing. Because I got all wet. So I put it in the water. Ah! Oh my god, that part's actually deep. Ah!
That's hail on your head, and then it kind of like melts, and then it freezes in your head.
I can't believe my phone's like still going. I thought it would like freeze. Well, I guess if it's not cold enough for ice to melt and snow. I fell, guys. And I'm not okay. Mia, can you help me? I'm not feeling well. Can you help me, Mia? My hands are frozen.
Yeah, I believe in you. Let's make it angel. Now for angel. Alright. Let's make it because you never knew.
Alright, can we go back now? I'm actually cold.
My
What?
legs hurt.
Oh my gosh, wait, what is that over there?
Yeah, but right there. No, not really.
Where? I don't think I've ever been to this place. Look at all the open place. Oh my gosh, we've never like been back here. Guys, we can go sledding back here. Look, there's a little hill.
It's like there's a farm way back there.
Charlotte's coming.
Coming outside.
Well, we're going inside after we do this skunk hole. Wait, guys, we're right here. We're right here. Ben, where are you going? Where is it? What is it?
Just right there, and then you're walking on rankings.
Staying low. Enzo, come back! We'll just say that we're going to follow them. Guys! Guys, come back! Say that. Where is it, guys?
Right there, another block bridges that you can walk on. Very safe.
Whoa.
Guys, come back.
Guys, maybe another day when it's not snowing. Okay, come on. Guys, come on, come back. Enzo, no!
Enzo!
Enzo!
Enzo, come back. Shut up.
Enzo!
Guys! Enzo, get back here now.
Enzo, come on! Come on! Enzo won't come back!
Ava, just let him die.
You got it. Alright, let's go back to your house.
Can we go inside your house and take one?
Okay, fine. You just need to get your friends, though.
Don't let Charlotte come inside. Okay, we're doing the video and we already started, so she can't do it.
Oh my gosh. But we're gonna go do Fortnite though now, because it's too cold. I'm freezing. Alright, let's go to your house so we can get your phones.
Yeah, that might go do. We can't play anymore. I guess we have to go back out. Yeah, but that way.
Okay, we're filming. Yeah? But Enzo won't listen. No, guys.
Do that ninja thing.
Oh, there he is. What ninja thing?
This ninja thing. Watch.
Oh. No, when it's not snowing and it's not freezing, then I'll do it. It's actually not that cold. I'm just cold because I got my hand wet. The ninja thing? I think I finished. I finished. I did them all.
Do you know what's the sad part? None of this stuff.
Mia, even you can touch.
Right. Come on, guys, let's go get our photos.
Alright, let's go. Brody's out. We've been out here for like an hour and a half, so we're gonna go inside. It's really cold.
Wait, can you guys stay here for a second? I just have to go tell my mom.
Oh yeah, you're gonna
die on that. That I'm gonna go to.
Oh, okay. I think we're going to Sophia's house. Or I'm not really sure. My toes are freezing. Let's go say hi to Brody, guys. Hi, Brody. Hey, Brody. Hi. Hey, Brody. I know, I love Brody. He's the cutest. Brody, hi. Oh no, he's getting all tied up. So cute. Hey, Brody. Oh my gosh, I'm getting tied up.
We provide really good snacks here.
Oh, I thought you meant in Charlie's house. Brody, wow.
Let's not take the woods back.
Whoa, it's so slippery.
Let's not take the woods back.
Mia, where are you going?
Hey, Brody, I'm trying to enjoy my snack here.
Ah!
We're not going inside.
What? Okay, guys, I think we're going back.
We gotta get our phones.
Yeah.
So we can play Fortnite. Yeah. No,
Brody's off the leash! Guys, Brody's off the leash! Brody's off the leash! Brody, come here! Come here, Brody! Brody's off the leash! He's gonna fall! Oh my gosh, Brody, no! Brody! Brody! Guys, go! I think it slipped when, I don't know what happened.
It ran into my leg.
He's coming back! Nate! Nate, we're gonna get him, it's okay! Actually, this isn't that first. Brody. Nate!
He's in Tanya's yard, guys! He's in Tanya's yard!
Guys, go, help!
Then Nate like jumped from his feet.
Oh my gosh. We
Yeah,
don't,
but that doesn't mean he unclipped it. I know how to do you play with sport day.
I don't know who did it, but I think Nate tripped over it and I don't know what happened, but
Maybe it ripped off.
he ran through and it.
No, it didn't rip off. It was perfect.
I have a video. Playing for Basil. He's gonna play with Basil. He's playing with Basil, guys. We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him, Nate. Get him. He's playing with Nate. He's playing with Basil. Coco's loose. Oh, Coco always comes back. Coco comes back.
No, that's bad. If Coco's loose, he's gonna drown in that water.
Guys, don't just. Brody! Mia, grab Coco. Grab Coco. Hey. I got it on video so we can see. Guys, we got him. It's okay, Nate. We got him.
No, his hand.
Coco's gonna drown. No, Coco's fine.